for you guys. We're gonna make a bubble inside a bubble. Cool, right?
For this experiment, you're gonna need water, a shawl, a container, but we're just gonna use a beaker, 2 tablespoons of dish soap, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. And of course, you're gonna need a spoon. So now, let's start the experiment. First, we're gonna pour water into the beaker. So since we have a beaker, we're gonna pour it into like 200 milliliters. So let's pour it in. Total stop.
You might want to. Thumbs up, yeah.
That's just about there.
And now we are gonna put
1 tablespoon of sugar. Well, and then we already had it. Already had 2 tablespoons put into here, so we're just gonna pour it inside.
I'll take this out. Got it?
Mhm.
Okay, now
We're gonna mix it. Mix it.
Mix it.
Mix it. Mix it. Okay, I think that's enough.
Wait, a little bit more. Yeah.
Okay, so now we're gonna put all of this to the side.
Now we're
Let's
gonna
just leave these.
put our hands in there.
We're gonna put our hands in there, grab some, and then put it all over the table, all around.
Yeah, that's good.
Take it a little bit. Okay, that's enough. Now we're gonna grab our shot and get this bubble popping. You see what I did?
I got what you did.
Oh
So
wait.
first we have to put
Okay, let me do it this way because I touched it.
Oh, what happened?
Okay. Well, let's move this to the side so we have a little bit more space. Okay, make sure you do it slowly.
I can just do it. I'm almost to a bubble inside a bubble.
Okay.
Guys, look! I made a bubble inside a bubble.
Guys, look, she actually made a bubble inside a bubble. That's actually so cool.
I just did it. I just popped it. Here.
Look, guys, look, I made a bubble inside of a bubble. Let me try to make a bubble inside the second bubble. Ah.
Wow. Oh, I just made eyes, and then I'm gonna put a bubble inside those 2 bubbles.
Guys, look.
Oh, God. I'm trying to make.
Guys, I made a bubble inside of a bubble.
I'm trying to make like
somewhere
a
else.
thing. Make like 2 like bubbles, then put a bubble inside in between it.
Oh.
Okay.
Let's get some.
I gotta make sure my thing doesn't get on my stuff.
Yeah, make sure that you don't like this.
I don't like eat the soap.
Okay, I need a little bit more.
Guys, I made a bubble inside a bubble.
Look at that, it looks actually so cool.
I made a bubble inside a bubble inside a bubble. I'm gonna do a small one.
Oh, it's actually so cool.
Ah.
Okay, start off with the first one.
Oh, I made a jar.
But I made a bubble inside of a bubble. Guys, look, I made a bubble inside of a bubble inside of a bubble.
Ah.
Well, Wow, the first one just popped, but that's okay. This is so cool.
I mean,
Okay, now I'm just gonna have fun. Oh, that one is still
let's
flashing.
try and do like a bubble. Like try and do it from up here
Like
and
it.
try. Wow.
Okay, let's start. Let's go. It's gonna be so cool.
Oh. Wait, like.
Okay.
Oh, you're about to hit mine.
Guys, look, I made a bubble inside of the bubble. Let's see if I can make another one. Oops, it popped. Oh, look, it almost popped. It actually almost popped. Now
I
it
did a
popped.
bubble inside a bubble. Then I'm gonna do another one. So I need more. So I'm gonna do it over. This way. I'm gonna do one.
Okay, I think that's big enough that I can make another one. And then one more.
This is so cool, guys.
I made a bubble inside of a bubble inside of a bubble. Sorry, make a fourth one. Oh, pop. Okay. Let's try to make like something fancy.
Yeah, me too.
Wow, it's actually so cool. Pop. I'm gonna try to make it as big as I can without popping
I'm gonna
it.
try and do
make
like
it
a
bigger.
bubble, then another bubble right here, then a bubble in the middle. So a bubble across and in the middle bubble.
What?
Does that make sense?
I think we need soap here.
I need a lot more stuff over here, so I'm gonna take more. This is so fun.
It's so fun. Oh man, that one was so big.
Oh, I can do that too. Oh, I'm gonna try and make one slide off the top. So look. Oh, I made it like a border.
Oh, look, that's so cool.
I'm gonna try and make like a bubble from right here.
Ooh. Okay, that one is like long.
I'm gonna try and make the biggest.
I made a bubble inside of a bubble.
I'm gonna try and make the biggest bubble in the whole entire world, I think.
Oh, look, mine is so big. Look at mine, guys. It's so big.
Let me.
Oh man, pops. The big ones pop easily.
Yep.
I think I need more here.
Ah.
I need more everywhere.
Okay. Now.
Okay, now it's actually gonna work.
Look.
When I say it's actually gonna work, it doesn't even work. But that's okay, because it's gonna work this time. Wow. It's not even working. Yes. Daddy, what? I was just about to make a big one. And then he popped it.
Oh. Ah, you got it on me. You got it on me. Hi. I think we should add more shit.
Usually, what happens when you blow a bubble? It pops. But we use sugar for this experiment so the bubbles can last longer. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to know whenever we post a new video.